Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Which of the following is regarded as reserves or the offset and entry on the other side of an account? Which of the following is recorded to reserves or offset and entry on the other side of account or the contra account? All of above, contra entry, no. Compound entry meaning of the which of the following is recorded to offset an entry on the other side of the contra entry, contra account. कॉन्ट्रा अकाउंट है कॉन्ट्रा अकाउंट है कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री नहीं एंट्री में तो दोनों साइड आ जाएगी ना कॉन्ट्रा अकाउंट आएगा the thing that wasn't but not clear until that are called uncredited checks जो चेक डिपॉजिट हुए लेकिन अभी क्लियर नहीं हुए उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं uncredited checks बोलते हैं students. On the other side of cash book and bank book a column is added in which receipts from the debit are noted. This type of cash book is also called on the receipt side of cash book and why one column is added in the double column cash book multi column we बोल सकते हैं on the receipt side of cash and bank book a column is added in which receipts from the debtors are separately recorded so it's from multi column cash book. Distribution of dividend is the concept applied in the following organization. Public limited में होता है dividend divide. A bank reconciliation statement is prepared to ascertain the difference between the cash book and the bank. Which of the following is paid and included in the cost of goods sold? Wages paid to labor बिल्कुल होता है. Wages paid to labor direct cost है, ये उसमें जाएगा. All of the following are liabilities except सारी liabilities हैं सिवाय depreciation. Accounting error in which an entry is recorded in the wrong class. Wrong class में जब record की जाती है तो error of principal होता है. In which of the following condition debt is recorded as bad? Failure of repeated attempt. Bankruptcy disappears all of above. यार बैड डेट्स होते हैं जब बंदा पैसे ना दे उसको क्या मौत पड़ी है उसका हमें नहीं पता ठीक है ना पाकिस्तान इंटरनेशनल इज अ सर्विस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड